Today I will teach you coordinate geometry exercise 11C. Now, question number 6. Find the equation of line, straight line through the given point P having the given slope M if A part P minus 4 comma 7 and M equal to minus square root 3. Equation of line passing through minus 4 comma 7. Dear student, you know the formula. Equation of line passing through one point and slope is given, then y1 equal to m x minus x1. Okay, y minus y 7 equal to m square root 3x minus x1 it is x1 y1. Okay, x minus x1 means minus plus 4, then y minus 7 equal to minus square root 3x minus 4 square root 3, then it will come this side, or root 3 it will come, then minus will come this side, then plus square root 3x plus y equal to 7 will go that side, 7 minus 4 square root 3. Okay, this is the equation of a straight line. Okay, dear students, find the equation of line equation of straight line passing through origin 0 comma 0. This is the origin. Okay, dear students, and perpendicular to x plus 2y equal to 4. So, dear student, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have to find the equation of perpendicular line on this, which is passing through origin 0 0. Okay, so first of all we will find the slope of this line. Slope equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of, this is the formula, dear students. Coefficient of y, this is the formula to find the slope, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Okay, minus 1 upon 2. Then slope of perpendicular line, slope of perpendicular line passing through given line m dash equal to minus 1 upon m. Okay, minus my 1 upon 2, my minus cancel, 2 will go up, 1 into 2 upon 1 equal to 2. This is m dash. Then equation of line, equation of perpendicular line, y minus passing through origin means 0 0. This is x1 y1. So y y1 equal to m x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal to m, you know very well, 2, then x minus 0. So y, this is 0, leave it, 2x, then 0 minus 0, 2x equal to y means 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Okay, dear students. Question number 8. Find the equation of line joining the points A 1 comma 1 and B 2 comma 3. Equation of line. Dear student, I told you the formula I explained about the formula, the equation of line passing through the given points. Okay, so equation of line passing through given 2 points. What is the formula, dear students? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 equal to y2 3 minus 1 3 minus y1 1 x2 minus x1 2 minus 1 and x minus x1 means 1. Okay, now y minus 1 equal to, this is 2 upon 1 x minus 1, then y minus 1 equal to 2 is divided by 2, then it will be 2, then multiply by 2, 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 2 you take this side and y minus 1 that side, then 2x minus y minus 2, 1 will come this side, then plus 1 equal to 0, then it will be 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line passing through point A and B. Okay, dear students, this is the answer. Question number 10. The coordinate of 2 points E and F are 0, 4 and F 3, 7 respectively. Find the gradient of EF. Gradient means slope. Okay, so slope, 2 points are given, then we have to find slope. How? M equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, then y2 minus y1, 7 minus 4 upon 3 minus 0. 7 minus 4 means 3 upon 3. Okay, 3 1 जा. M equal to 1. Then this is the gradient or slope. Okay, now second part, equation of line EF. Equation of line EF, this is the gradient of, okay, an equation of line EF, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, x minus x1, y minus y1, y minus y1 means minus 4, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 means slope 1, we got already. X minus x1 0. Okay, so y minus 4 equal to x minus 0, then x equal to y minus 4, x minus y equal to minus 4. This is the equation of line EF. Okay, dear students. Last point, means third point, the coordinate. Find the coordinate of the point where line EF, means this, intersect the x-axis. Line EF intersect x-axis, means we have to put y equal to 0. On x-axis y equal to 0. Okay, on x-axis y equal to 0, so x minus y equal to minus 4. At the place of y will put 0. Why? Because line EF intersect x-axis. On x-axis y equal to 0, so at the place of y put 0, then minus 4, x equal to minus 4. Coordinate points required coordinate points -4, x -4, y 0. Okay, these are the coordinate points on which EF intersect x-axis. Okay, dear students. Now question number 12. A line 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 meets the x-axis at point P. Find the coordinate of the line through P perpendicular to the line 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. First off, we have to find the coordinate on which this line intersect x-axis. Okay, so on x-axis y equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 into 0 plus 12 equal to 0. 3x minus 0 equal to minus 12. 3x equal to minus 12. X equal to minus 12 upon 3. 3 1 जा 3 4 जा minus 4. So of the points where the given line meets x-axis equal to minus 4 comma 0. Okay, now next find the equation of line through P, means through P this. Okay, through P and perpendicular to line 3x plus 5y minus 15. 3x plus 5y minus 15. Dear student, we have to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this and passing through point P. So first of all, we have to find the slope of this line. Then its perpendicular line slope will find. So slope equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Coefficient of x is minus 3 upon 5. Okay, then its perpendicular line slope of its perpendicular line line m dash equal to minus 1 upon m minus 1 upon minus 3 upon 5, cancel 5 upon 3. So equation of line perpendicular 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0 and passing through minus 4p minus 4 comma 0. Then y minus y1 equal to mx minus. Now y minus y1, equation of line y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 0 equal to m 5 upon 3, then x minus x1 minus 4 minus plus 4. Okay, then y equal to 5x plus 4 upon 3, cross multiplication 3y equal to 5x plus 5 4 is 20, then 5x plus 20 equal to 3y, 5x minus 3y plus 20 equal to 0. This is the equation of line perpendicular to this and passing through minus 4 comma 0. Okay dear students, this is the equation of line.